Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing things a little different. I'm coming onto you with a fresh face. But I wanted to come on to show you guys this box I received from Taste of Haiti. It's a Taste of Haiti box. Okay, I wanted to do an unboxing video with you guys and to show you guys what's in the box. They contacted me. They wanted to send me a sample of the box. Of course, I said yes. I support anything Haitian. I really support anybody, any small businesses especially. So I wanted to wait to unbox it with you guys. Okay. This is cute. Ooh, this is cute. Look at that. That's pretty. Okay, so let's see what's inside. In these boxes, guys, you can subscribe to receive a box once a month, or you can order the stuff that's in the box in bigger sizes, or and I think you can choose what goes in your box. Ooh, I'm excited. So in this box we have some jonjon, the Haitian black mushroom. Okay, and that's pretty cute. The packaging is so cute. All right, and then let's see what else. Oh, we have some tui. I haven't had this in so long, so I'm going to have to make a video using this for you guys. Tui is like really small, tiny shrimps. Okay, put that to the side. I'm excited. This is cute. Oh, I have a little pilon. Let's see, pilon. This is cute. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Honestly, I don't even know if I want to use that. I might just use it as decoration. Oh, mes amis. The Haitian in me is coming out. Mes amis. Let's see. Sauce zancette. This is what that is. It says tomato, pineapple, raw sugarcane, moonshine sauce. I don't think I've ever heard of that one. We are going to have to taste that. Okay, there's more stuff. They give you so much stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, this does it for me. I needed one of these so bad. Mine broke off. The screw on mine came off. Oh my goodness. Okay. If you guys don't get you a box, I don't know. This right here did it for me. Okay, let's see this. Creole cuisine, taste of culture. Oh, they got some Epis. Okay. Organic Haitian seasoning. Come on out. I don't know what's all in it. It looked like a little mini Epis container, little jar. And then this is a powder seasoning. Poud Epis. Okay, so the first one was the Epis. The other one was the Poud Epis. And one is organic dry. And the other one, so two little Epis containers. My goodness, let me just get them out of here. So, two little Epis containers, and then one dry Epis. That's pretty cute. But yes, I will leave their link down in the description box, you guys, so you guys can check them out. You can follow them on Instagram. This is pretty cute. I like that. But yes, all the information will be down below so you guys can check them out and make sure you order yours, because this is very neat. I am looking forward to using my jonjon, and I'm definitely looking forward to using my tui. I haven't used this in so long, as I said. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Comment, like, and share. Make sure you subscribe for sure to see how I'm going to be using my tui. And share the video with everybody that you know. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. Some of you haven't seen my face, so this is a chance for you guys to get to see my face. See you in my next video. Bye bye.